Hello everyone, this is Asta Sharma from MTech IT 2K21 batch, and let's start our discussion on NIST Cloud Computing Reference as Architecture. So in this video, first of all, what is NIST Cloud Computing Reference Architecture is? So basically it provides a framework that helps us to understand the relationship and interaction between various components in a cloud computing environment. What services, which services, and from cloud provider to cloud carrier, which is basically comes under the NIST Cloud Computing Reference Architecture. So, NIST Cloud Computing Reference Architecture defines 5 major performers. First, cloud provider, cloud carrier, cloud broker, cloud auditor, and cloud consumer. So, first, we have to see a overview like what is cloud computing architecture. Here is the diagram. Each performer is an object, a person or an organization that contributes to a transaction or method and performs task in cloud computing. There are 5 major actors defined in the NIST Cloud Computing Reference Architecture, which are described below. As you can see, cloud consumer, cloud auditor. In cloud auditor, there are security audit, privacy impact audit, performance audit. In cloud provider, there is cloud orchestration, cloud service management, security, privacy, and in cloud broker, service intermediation, service aggregation, service arbitrage, and cloud carrier, which carry this services between cloud consumer and cloud provider. Now first, cloud service provider. So what is cloud service provider? Let's see. A group or object that delivers cloud services to cloud consumers or end users. It offers various components of cloud computing. Cloud computing consumers purchase a growing variety of cloud services from cloud service providers. There are some categories like first, IaaS provider, infrastructure as a service. In this model, the cloud service provider offers infrastructure components that would exist in an on-premises data centers. This component consists of servers, networks, and storage, as well as the virtualization layer. Second, SaaS provider, software as a service. Vendors provides a wide sequence of business technology such as human resource management software, customer relationship management software, all of which the SaaS vendor host and provide services through the internet. Here is the diagram of cloud provider which provide these services. There are various variety of cloud services, as you can see. Also, the platform as a service, vendors offer cloud infrastructure and services that can access to perform many functions. In past, services and products are mostly utilized in software development. Providers provide operating system and middleware along with application stack to the underlying infrastructure. Next, as you can see, which services are provided and from where, like SaaS, PaaS, and this what services are provided, we see in the next video. Cloud carrier. Now what is cloud carrier? The mediator who provides offers connectivity and transport of cloud services within cloud services providers and cloud consumer. It allows access to the services of the cloud through internet network, telecommunication, and other access devices. A consistent level of services is provided when cloud providers set up services level agreement with the cloud carrier. In general, carrier may be required to offer dedicated and encrypted connections. which carry the services from provider to consumer, consumer to provider. Basically it interact both the objects and provide a connectivity and transportation between them. Next is here's the diagram um, which shows us how they are transferred. Third is cloud broker, a organization or a unit that manages the performance, use and delivery of cloud services by enhancing, specifying capability and offer value added services to cloud consumer. It combines and integrates various services into one or more services. They provide service arbitrage, which allows flexibility and opportunistic choices. Basically it has three services in a cloud broker: service intermediation, service aggregation, service arbitrage. Now fourth is cloud auditor, an entity that can conduct independent assessment of cloud services, security, performance and information system operations of the cloud implementations. The services that are provided by cloud service providers can be evaluated by service auditor in terms of privacy impact, security control and performance, etc. Cloud auditor can make an assessment of the security control in the information system to determine the extent to which the controls are implemented correctly, operating as planned and constructing the desired outcome with respect to meeting the security necessities for the system. There are major three roles of cloud auditor which are mentioned below. First is security audit, which basically take care of the security of the data or services which are provided to customer. Privacy impact audit, it basically control the privacy, no data leaking and something, there is no such problems. So privacy impact audit. Performance audit basically checks the quality of services which are provided in a smooth manner. Here we can see cloud. What is the role of cloud auditor? There are basically three main roles: security control, privacy impact and performance. And what about cloud broker? So cloud broker have intermediation, aggregation and arbitrage. Now what is cloud consumer? As we are continuously hearing this term, so what is cloud consumer? A cloud consumer is the end user who browses or utilizes the services provided by cloud service provider. Set up services contracts with the cloud provider. So the cloud consumer pays per use of the service provisioned, measured service utilized by the consumer. In this, a set of organizations having mutual regularity constraint performs a security and risk assessment for each use case of cloud migration and deployment. Cloud consumer use service level agreement to specify the technical performance requirement to be fulfilled by the cloud provider. So as you can see, cloud what is cloud consumer? So this is the cloud consumer, and there are some points which also we can add, like SLA can cover terms concerning the quality of services, security and remedies for performance failure. So this is the diagram of cloud broker, cloud carrier and cloud auditor. In cloud carrier we see from cloud consumer to provider, which is basically done by the cloud consumer, like it works as a transportation. So this is the overall view of cloud computing reference architecture. And what are the advantages of NIST cloud computing architecture? Like why we pursue this architecture. So these are the advantages, like low cost of entry. uh, it makes the cloud computing accessible to organizations of all sizes, including small businesses. Second, quick access to resources. uh, Provides almost immediate access to resources and reduce IT barrier to innovate. And here are some MCQs, like uh, if you want to survey yourself, or maybe you want to test yourself, then there are 5 6 MCQs. So thank you so much.